Alright, what is going on, guys? I got an unboxing for you guys here, and I am super excited to show you what freaking knives I'm going to be unboxing. Because they are going to be works of craftsmanship. It is by Gavin Hawk Designs Gearhead. It is the very first look at this knife. I'm pretty sure no one else has done a video with this knife in it, other than like the 5 second intro video they put on their website to sell it. Oh my god, I'm so freaking stoked right now. Okay, so we got, yes, I ordered 3 of them. Comes with this cool card here. Gavin Hawk's card. Nice. We got 3 stickers. Let's just freaking get into one of these, like, right now. Right now. I don't want to wait. Apparently I'm struggling. Alright, so I got 1 Tanto blade, or 2 Tanto blades, and 1 clip point, or drop point, so, oh my god, so, yeah, this is the box, Mantis knives. Not really sure what that is, or why it says that. They probably collaborated on the design, but, oh my god. Just before we take it out of the box, can we just appreciate that that is beautiful? God damn. It's got a good weight to it. Got some whoops. Got a little bit of oil here. This thing is beautiful. Pocket clip, very well designed. Carbon fiber, Torx head screws. And you just push this and the blade fires. So let's freaking do it. Let's see what happens. Oh my god. That's a trip, dude. How do you make it go back? Okay, there's the lock bar. What the fuck? That's a trip, dude. How did I do that? Yeah, you just push hard and that shit just... That makes so much sense. See, you press this down and the gears are turning and it opens the knife. I was not expecting it to be that freaking intense. That is so cool. And then the lock bar access is really good. Getting used to this action is... There we go. Let's see what the blade looks like. Beautiful Damascus 440C blade. Got the Gavin Hawk logo on it. And then we got the Mantis Knives logo on it. Such a freaking sick design, dude. Oh my god. And as with most knives, I imagine, the more you play with it, the better it's going to feel. The more smooth it will be. That's how you do it right there. You just get it nice and comfortable in your hand, and This is a genuine piece of craftsmanship, man. Let's get these other two open. Thinking it's a good idea. Set this off to the side here. Oh, we're just gonna open these other ones up. So this one's empty. Alright, so two Tanto blades, and let's see, one clip point. This one is the clip point if I can get the fucking box open. Yep, clip point, not a drop point. So beautiful. Really, such a piece of craftsmanship, man. Handle materials, carbon fiber, and G10, looks like. And then this is steel, I believe. Maybe copper, brass. The gears look like stainless steel. That's just so, like, after you get a hang of that action, that's just so nice, dude. What the fuck? Alright. I'm gonna be selling two of these. I'm not really sure which two yet. Which one I'm gonna keep. I don't know if I'm gonna keep one of the Tanto blades or the clip point. But in a few weeks, you will see a full review on these knives. So subscribe if you would like to see that. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I enjoyed making it. These knives are freaking amazing. A couple more things I can say real quick before I depart. Ergonomics, actually really good. You think these things would feel weird in the hand, but they really don't. Get a good grip. Multiple different grips. The weight is really good. Like I said, carbon fiber, G10, pocket clip, stainless steel pocket clip, really well designed. That's going to work really well going in and out of your pants pockets. The tension isn't too crazy, so it's not going to tear your pants pockets. It's going to be a smooth transition. Just a beautiful piece of freaking work. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good